here at a 1-bed, 1-bath, plus we have a guest house with another 1-bed, 1-bath, and a full kitchen.
I just wanna know what it is that we are before we're something else. I don't wanna let it go, cause this world that we built is all I ever felt. I just wanna know what it is that we are before we're something else. I don't wanna.
Need space for your RVs, trucks, trailers, campers? Well, we definitely have it here. And are you into horses? Well, there's horse trails all throughout this area.